charity should always be performed. Prabhupada said a Brahman, dadati pratigrinati, giving gifts, receiving gifts. Yajan yajan, dan pratigraha, patan patan, sadkarma nipana vipro. That a vipro or Brahman is expert in 6 activities. Bhagavat Pat, studying the Bhagavatam and teaching others the Bhagavatam. Patan patan, yajan yajan, performing yagya, puja, didi puja, archanam, homa, dasavita samskaras and yagyas, and in teaching others how to do the same. Dan pratigraha, receiving gifts and also in charity and money, land, cows, grains, food, cloth, and also distributing the same. Srila Prabhupada said that a Brahmin may receive $1 million in charity in the morning, and by the evening he distributes it all. He doesn't hold on to anything. He doesn't hoard his wealth or gloat over his wealth. He immediately distributes charity as the highest exemplar in the society. In chapter 21, it describes how Bali Maharaj agreed to give Vamanadev 3 steps of land, and the Lord took everything in 2 steps, and he wasn't able to offer more. So then the Lord bound him with the Varuna Pash, the ropes of Varuna. Because he couldn't fulfill his promise. So the Lord bound him, sent him to Sutala Loka. He went from the heavenly planets to the hellish planets. There's 7 planets above the earth. Bhur, Bhuva, Swa, Janalok, Mahalok, Tapalok, Satilok. And there's 7 planets below the earth. Attala, Patala, Atala, Talatala, Rasatala, Patala, Sutala. There's the 7 planets, the subterranean planets. And he was on the top and he went to the bottom. What goes up must come down. A rise precedes a fall. One who goes up must come down.